Welcome to this 10-day Insight Timer course on transforming people-pleasing into thriving relationships. My name is Dia Michelle. I'm a licensed professional counselor and a soul therapist, and I'm so happy you're here with me. People-pleasing is a learned behavior that results in living according to other people's perceived expectations, rather than living authentically based on who we truly are. People-pleasing is exhausting. Since it is a learned behavior, it can also be unlearned. In this course, we will get clear on what people-pleasing behavior looks like, how it feels in your body, where it comes from, and how to pave a fresh new path for your life. The foundation for your new path will be paved with your authentic values, needs, and desires. I will guide you through this process, step by step.